guys, so I saw this little trick, hack, or experiment, or whatever you want to call it, on YouTube for wigs, and all you will need will be your wig, a denim brush, some super hot water, baking soda, any type of dish detergent, and you put it in a bowl together. Also, you will need shampoo. I'm using the Shea Moisture black castor oil renewing shampoo because it's, you know, great for hair and renewing things. So I'm trying this little trick that I saw on YouTube. The girls were using it to remove semi-permanent hair dye out of their wigs. So I'm thinking, like, if it'll do that, maybe it'll lighten my wig up as well. And I've seen people's wigs lighten up from doing this little trick, experiment, project, hack, whatever you want to call it. So I decided, let me try it for you guys on Miss Jasmine, because I haven't wore this wig in literally centuries. I've just been wearing my natural hair or doing the braids. So I'm trying this little trick for you guys. I left it in the water for 30 minutes, I believe. And this is after the 30-minute mark. As you all can see, the wig definitely lightened up a bit, and you can tell from my lace, and you can also see the remnants of the dye or whatever in the water, because, you know, it's not clear anymore. It's very brown and whatever. So yeah, it actually worked. I'm just brushing through it. It was actually very hard to do this because it was super tangled and super dry, I guess because of the baking soda, and my camera is falling at this part, but I didn't know, but that's okay. Y'all see it lightened my lace, but it made it very hard to do this, and you'll see why later on in the video.
Definitely bleached these.
Just keep watching. Go along this journey with me. So as you all can see, that treatment definitely lightened my wig a lot. Well, a little, but whatever. It's still lightened. It's brighter than it was before I did this video. It looks really crusty right now, but the color looks great, and it was actually soft in my hand. And y'all see how my lace looks? Wow, that looks great, because at first I had black dye on it from when I over bleached my knot.
All right guys, so this is me with freshly washed hair or whatever. I know my hair looks terrible right now, but I'm about to braid it up so I can put this wig on, try it on for you guys. Please don't judge me, judge your mother. It's like, no, don't judge anyone. Who are you to judge? Who are me to judge?
Who are me to judge?
I conditioner in my hair for 2 days. Please don't do that, because it's I don't know why it's not safe to do, but I just want to recommend doing it. I'm about to go braid up my hair. I'm about to put in some leave-in conditioner, and we gonna get this thing in order. We gonna get this thing in order. We gonna get this thing in order. Also, I have been taking these vitamins every single day. Keep your immune system healthy. Do y'all want to see me braid my hair up? What's popping? Brand new braids, just got them. Ayy, brand new style, about to rock it. Ayy, all my haters stop talking. Ayy.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in.
I be swearing I can rap. I can't rap for nothing. I just be saying stuff, making it sound sweet, making it rock on the beat.
Hold it down. Hey, it's the announcer. I'm not a rapper.
I just finished my braids or whatever, and these are the official wig braids. Get at your girl. There are 10 braids in my head. Yes! This is Rose Witch Hazel Water with it's a refreshing face mix with hyaluronic acid. I just braided my hair straight back, put some Jamaican black castor oil in it, but I'm about to put some more of this oil in it because I don't really think I put enough. There are a few pieces in my wig that I have to fit. Let me go get it and show y'all. Okay, so this is Miss Jasmine or whatever. Jasmine has not been able to make her debut back on this channel. You know, she been gone, but she back by popular demand, back like she never left. As y'all saw, the wig did lighten a little bit. I used that little treatment or whatever, but honestly I would never do that again, because I glued this wig and some parts are sewn in, but when I glued it, the glue came loose, so I had to like glue some parts together. And also there's a whole section missing from Jasmine. Jasmine is missing hair. And I don't know where it is. I think I glued it to another section of the wig, but hopefully it works out without that. Okay, so it's Lighten, and I'm gonna wear this for Thanksgiving. Y'all see it's like this right now. We gonna get her together. Let me show you the part that I do have to sew back on. Y'all, there was a few sections, but this hair, it looks so good with it lightened, and it also lightened my it bleached my knots some more. So I think it's really gonna look like scalp. It's really gonna give scalp like.
It's given. It's been given.
Y'all just wait to see. Y'all just gotta wait to see. Ma, I'll make a YouTube video. Y'all, I can't find a part of the wig. I guess it doesn't really matter, but I gotta sew on a part of the wig. And it's still very much soft. I just had to wash her, comb it out. After I get ready to put it on, I'm gonna flat iron her, wand curl her, and we're gonna be back in action, period. I'm gonna try to find the parts that I have to fix in here.
So I went ahead and flat ironed this. I ran a hot comb through it. I laid it on my scalp, and I think it looks amazing. It's definitely brought back to life. Jasmine, you look great. And here is me on Thanksgiving Day, looking beautiful.
All right, I'm doing. They got me doing this, and I'm kind of look.